Hi everyone, my name is Parul. Welcome to my channel Parul English Lab. Today I'll tell you the difference between close and near. I've seen people getting confused between these two words. So today I'll tell you how to use these words interchangeably as well as separately in different sentences. So please watch this video till the end because after watching it, you will not have any confusion between these two words. And before going ahead, please like and subscribe to my channel Parul English Lab and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notifications. Now let's get started. Close and near have the same meaning when talking about physical distance or physical proximity. For example, my house is close or my house is near. So they both have the same meaning. Should I drop you home? No, I'll walk. My house is near or my house is close. So they both have the same meaning because here we are talking about physical proximity, physical distance. So in this case, you can use close and near interchangeably. You can also say, I'm close to my home. My home is close or I'm close to my home. My home is near. I am near my home. Now here in this case, when you are using near, then you will not use near to. I have heard people saying, I'm near to my home. I'm near to my office. That's incorrect. Don't use to in this case when you're talking about physical proximity. Close to is correct but not near to. I'm close to my office, I'm close to my home, but I'm near my home, I'm near my office. She lives near the river. She lives close to the river. She has parked her car near the bus station. She has parked her car close to the bus station. So this way we can use close or near when we talk about physical proximity or physical distance. Close and near are not same when we talk about the abstract idea or abstract concept like relationship. In that case, we only use close, not near. For example, I don't live with my mom, but we are very close. So this means that physically we don't live together, but emotionally we have a good relation. We share a very good relation. Emotionally, we are connected. So my mom and I are very close. Here in this sentence or in this situation, you cannot use near. Now if you say that my mom and I are near, that's incorrect. So here you will use close. You can also frame this sentence like, I am very close to my mom. So when you are framing the sentence like this, then you will use close to. She is very close to me. They both are very close or they both are close. He is close to her. I am close to my grandparents. So here we are talking about relationships. When we share a strong bond with someone, when we are emotionally connected to someone, then we use close, not near. We can also make negative sentences like, she is not close to me. That means we don't have a strong bond. We are not emotionally connected. You can also frame a sentence like, who is he? He is a close friend. He is a close relative. So this way also we use close in this situation when we talk about abstract ideas or concepts. There are some phrases where we can't use near in place of close. For example, you need to keep a close eye on this project. So when you say you need to keep a close eye on this project, so keep a close eye, this means that to watch something carefully or to observe something. Okay, so here you need to watch the project carefully. You need to observe it. You need to keep a close eye on this project. Please pay close attention to what she is doing. So pay close attention. This means be careful. So just be careful to what she is doing. Please pay close attention to what she is doing. So this way in these phrases we can only use close, we cannot use near. So this is the difference between close and near. Now if you want to know more about near, like how to use and when to use near, near to, nearby, then I have made a detailed video on near. I will mention the link in description box. If you haven't watched the video yet, then you can watch it. So that's all for today. I hope you understood where to use close and near in different situations and in different sentences. Now please practice and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel Parul English Lab and press the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you. Take care. Have a great day.